Okay guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is Azi Graphics. In this particular tutorial, I'll be teaching you how you can create mockups like this for using your designs. But without any further ado, let's just go straight to the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to a particular website. Just go to your browser, photopea.com. So now this is just like Photoshop. It's the mobile version. It's not the mobile version anyway. It's like it's also a website that allows you to create effects, manipulation, images, designs using just like Photoshop. It's just like the online version of Photoshop. So it allows you to do so many other things that Photoshop can do. So first thing I'll be doing is I'll be importing open. I went to open, so I'll come to files. The PSD file which will be in the description of this video. So I'll come to download, then I'll just come to backup. So I'm having it somewhere around here. I'm having it here. Okay, so I'm just going to come to free CD. It's gonna load. Just wait while it loads. It's gonna take a few minutes, but it's on now. So I'll come to this option here. This is the layers panel. You can see they are all turned off. Let me just click on this, the place I'm clicking on. You're gonna see, let me click back. So this is how everything is. So I'm just gonna put off this one. Now if you want it, now I don't want the background, so I'll put off the background. So this is what we'll be doing next. So we just click on this particular area. Now for the remaining of this thing, we'll turn off everything. No, we're not turning off this one. So we click on this inside this area, you double click on it. So you turn off this. So you just come here, open and place. Then you come to the file you want to open, you want to place there. So we will now go and locate the file. Okay, now let me just be sure. Okay, this is not the size I was waiting to open to get. So this is the size I want to make use of. This is it. So it is loading. If you just joined me for the first time, strongly subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post new video on YouTube. So we come back to here, then it's okay. You can just click on this. There's unsaved work. Do you really want to close it? Okay, you know, just come here. Sorry about that. Come to save smart object. So it's just going to take a while, but let's smart object save. Right, the smart object has been saved. So you click on this, so you can see it has now changed. Now, so the next one is you come to this other side. You can just close this one. You come to this particular place. The same thing, this same one. You double click on it. You hide it. Come to click on open and place. Okay, and you come to files. That's where I'm having my image. So I'll try and locate. Now I showed you two. The first one the other time, there was one that actually was longer. Alright, so this one was quite longer. So this is the one I'll be making use of. So once it is loading, so I can just come here. Now I'll try and move this. Then I'll just come here. Okay, you can just drag it like this to this particular head. Alright, so now it's like this. You just come here and save smart object. So wait, well, it saves. Just hold on. Alright, so it's saved. You just click on this cancel, so you can see remain the spine. So come here, then we'll try and locate this for the spine. Now the spine is still gonna look like this one. Let's just be sure. Yeah, that's the one. So come here, you double click on that particular place, then you hide this, you click on this, open and place. Now I'm going to show you in a different video how you can actually create something similar. I will not be creating this one because I did this exact design in Photoshop. Or should we do it? No, let's just do something similar. Okay, this is the spine. Alright, so this is it. So come to save smart objects, then you can close. Alright, so we are done. Now you can now export as PNG or JPEG. Now since I'm not having background, so I don't want it to have background, so I'll use PNG. This will be better for me. So it's just going to save export as PNG. It's going to give me some other options, then this, then I'll just click on save. Photopea doesn't do like this before, so you're just going to run through some ads. Okay, so it's just about 30 seconds. Amazon. Okay, now please subscribe to my channel, put on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I post new videos on YouTube. Okay, so now this is what we have. Now it's going to download. See, it is finished. It has finished downloading. So it is transparent, so you can put it in any background you want. Alright, so that'll be all for this video. We'll see you in the next one.